Hi everyone, in this video I want to guide you on how to enable end task when you click or when you right click on any apps that is running on the window like this one. So let me click on this one. You're going to see end task here. I'm very sure that it's not available on your device, and this is in that you can leverage on your device so that you'll be able to end any task at any time without opening the task manager on your device. And this process is very simple. In less than 30 seconds, guys, you are good to go. So the first thing you have to do now is to come to this window icon on your device. You right click on it, then click on settings. Go ahead and click on system. Now here, scroll down until you have access to advanced. Click on it to expand it. Once you expand it, the first thing on the screen is what you need to toggle on. Enable end task in a taskbar by right click. So tap on this button, guys, to toggle it on. Now that's all, guys. You've been able to enable end task on your browser here. So if you enjoyed this tip, if not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.